In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business profile on Whop. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from beginning to end, ensuring every detail is clear. Whether you're setting up a coaching service or planning to host and sell courses online, Whop offers a seamless platform to get started. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and navigate to the Whop website. Once you're there, you'll need to access the settings menu. Look for the link that says Payment Methods under your profile settings. This is your gateway to setting up a new business with Whop. Next, you'll want to click on the button labeled New Business. This is your starting point for beginning your business setup journey. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to continue with the setup process. Go ahead and click Continue. This step confirms your intention to create a new business on the platform. As you proceed, you'll notice another Continue button. Click on it to keep the process moving forward. It might feel like we're repeating ourselves, but it's important to confirm each stage before advancing to the next. Now you're asked to describe your business. Click on the option that best aligns with what you're setting up. For our purposes, let's select coaching and courses, which will cater to hosting educational content. Progressing further, you'll need to specify your niche. In our example, this will be fitness. Select that option, and then a new question will appear asking, how do you plan to use Whop? For those looking to leverage Whop's platform to its fullest, choose Host and Sell Course on Whop. This option is ideal for fitness coaches, consultants, and educators aiming to reach a wider audience and sell their knowledge or services. Then you'll hit another Continue button. Each step forward brings you closer to having your business fully established on Whop. Finally, click on Create Business. This last confirmation solidifies your setup, and congratulations, your business profile on Whop is now live. This walkthrough has taken you from start to finish, ensuring that your setup experience is smooth and straightforward. From identifying your business category to selecting hosting options, each step on Whop is designed for ease of use. Now, you're ready to start managing your business, make connections, and reach clients directly through this dynamic platform. Thanks for following along, and good luck with